yung mga lumalabag sa batas trapiko, pwede silang matukoy at maaresto. Nare-record ng CCTV yung mga paglabag tapos ay abisuhan at papatawan ng parusa ang mga lumabag. Next.
Implementation. The No Contact Apprehension Policy or NCAP in Metro Manila is scheduled to resume on May 26, 2025. This means that traffic violations will be recorded using cameras and other methods, and notices of violation will be sent to the registered address of the violators rather than requiring a traffic officer to stop them on the road. The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA is responsible for enforcing the NCAP in Metro Manila. Mas pinapadali po nito ang pag-monitor ng mga pasaway sa kalsada at iniiwasan po yung pagharang ng mga traffic enforcer. At isa rin po sa dahilan bakit in-implement po ito para po sa kaligtasan ng mga motorista po natin. Tsaka rin po sa iwas pangungutong po ng ibang traffic enforcer po. Next po.
So, ang goal and strength ng NCAP is na-mitigate niya yung instances of traffic build-up. So,
Yung audio, sorry. Umina yung boses.
So, yung goal and strength ng pag-i-implement ng NCAP is na-mitigate niya yung instances of traffic build-up. So, alam naman natin na nung hindi pa na-i-implement yung NCAP is sobrang traffic talaga sobrang bagal ng traffic sa kalsada. So, NCAP eliminates the need for traffic enforcers to pull over motorists and waste time arguing and serving fines. On top of saving time and effort, reduced human interventions, minimize